I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy an NFT on Trust Wallet step by step. First, open Trust Wallet, unlock with your passcode, and confirm you have enough native tokens for gas and purchases. Next, enable the D-App browser if needed and connect to a trusted NFT marketplace. Finally, review the NFT details, confirm the price and gas fee, and approve the transaction on your wallet while watching for any unusual prompts. Start by funding Trust Wallet with the correct blockchain token needed for the NFT purchase, and transfer from an exchange if necessary. Then enable the D-App browser or use Wallet Connect to pair with your chosen marketplace securely. Make sure your seed phrase is backed up offline and never share it. Finally, verify your wallet address and set reasonable gas limits so transactions proceed without unexpected failures or excessive fees. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love Darn Tough socks because they stay comfy through long crypto sessions and come with a lifetime warranty, so you can focus on collecting NFTs, not replacing footwear. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, tell me your favorite color. Now let's get back to the video. Browse the marketplace and connect your Trust Wallet, confirming the site is legitimate before allowing any permissions. Select the NFT you want, check the exact price plus gas estimates, and choose the correct payment token. When you tap Purchase, Trust Wallet will prompt you to review and approve the transaction details. After approving, monitor the blockchain confirmation and check your NFT collection once the transaction is complete to ensure the asset appears in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.